Today I'm going to show you how to create an AI tool using ChatGPT. Here I'm going to create an image background remove AI tool. Open your browser. First go to ChatGPT. Now we need to give the prompt for the tool we are going to build here. I won't type this because it will take time. I will post this prompt on the Telegram channel and get it from there. Copy the prompt and paste it here. Press Enter. When the prompt is given in this way, we will create our web page with ChatGPT in this way. Okay, we need to create an API to create this image background remove tool. I will use a site for this. I will post the site link on the Telegram channel. First, you have to sign up on this site. Put the ticks here and click Sign Up. Now come to the top of the page. Scroll down and click on a PI document. From here, click on Get API Key. Click on New API Key. Here you give a name of your choice. Click on Create API Key. Copy the API key and click Save Changes. Create a text file and save the API code. Okay, now we are going to publish the AI tool, so I am going to create a blogger. You can use Google site if you want. Go to Blogger like this. Click on Create New Blog. Enter the name of the blogger here. Enter the web address here. You can give it to me in any way you like. Click Save. Now click on the theme option. Do this here. Click second option. Turn off the change navbar. After that, click Save. Next, click Edit HTML. Clear the code here. Next, go to the ChatGPT and copy the code we created. Paste it here, click Save. Go back and click on View Blog. Here is the page we created. Go to the ChatGPT. Now we need to give the API code that we created earlier. Copy it like this. Paste it here. Now enter. Now you can see how we changed our code by adding the API code. Copy the code. Also, clear the code here and paste the copied code. Click Save. Now refresh the page. Now upload a photo. Then click on the Remove Background button. Okay, you can see that the AI tool we created is working. I will make some more changes here by adding a download option to the image with the background removed. I will also post the prompt on the Telegram channel. Copy the prompt, paste it, and press Enter. Now copy the code, clear this and paste the code here. Now click Save. Refresh the page again. Now let's upload an image and try it. Select the image from here. Now click the Upload and Remove button. Okay, now you can see that the background of the image has been removed and our tool is ready to download the image. Okay, you can use more CSS and make this page a little more creative. You don't need to know anything about CSS coding. Just go to ChatGPT and get a prompt to make it as you want, then you can change the page creatively. If the video brought today was important to you, like the video and subscribe to keep up with new videos.